2025 is here, and if you're still relying on one income stream, you're leaving money on the table. Whether you want extra cash, financial freedom, or just tired of the 9 to 5, side hustles are the name of the game. Today, I'm going to break down 5 of the best side hustles in 2025 that have the potential to bring in 500 a day, some even more. These aren't your typical take surveys or deliver food suggestions. These are modern, high-value hustles with real income potential. So, grab a coffee, and let's dive in. Hustle 1. AI-powered freelancing. With the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs, a new wave of freelancing has exploded in 2025. And here's the twist: you don't need to be an expert coder or designer anymore. What it is: you use AI tools to complete gigs on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly through LinkedIn outreach. Think copywriting with ChatGPT, logos with Midjourney, or voiceovers using 11 Labs. How it makes 500 day. 5 gigs a day at 100.500. Bundle services, e.g., logo plus brand voice plus tagline. Monthly retainers for content generation. Example script. Hey, I help startups create complete branding kits using cutting-edge AI tools, logos, taglines, and AI voiceovers all in under 48 hours. Pro tips. Niche down. Serve only realtors, podcasters, or coaches. Use templates to speed up delivery. Over-deliver for the first 5 clients and get those 5-star reviews. Hustle 2. TikTok UGC creator. This one is booming in 2025. UGC user-generated content. Brands are paying everyday people to create short videos reviewing their products. You don't need a following, you just need a smartphone and good lighting. How it works. Brands send you products or digital apps to test. You film short videos, 30-60 seconds. You get paid per video, usually 100 to 300 each. How to hit 500 day. 2 to 5 UGC videos a day. Bundle packages, e.g., 5 videos for 1.0. Where to get clients. Join UGC platforms like Billo, Trend, and Join Brands. Cold pitch to brands on TikTok or Instagram. Use the hashtag UGC Creator to get inbound requests. Pro tips. Keep videos authentic and lo-fi. Use trending audio. Practice storytelling and hooks. Hustle 3. Faceless YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels are absolutely crushing it in 2025. You don't need to show your face, and once a video is live, it earns money passively for years. What is it? You build a YouTube channel around a niche like finance, motivation, luxury, or AI. You outsource scripts, voiceovers, and editing, or use AI tools to do it all yourself. Monetization. YouTube ads, AdSense. Affiliate links. Sponsorships. Selling your own digital product. Earnings example. 1 viral video. 300, 2, 0. 10, 0 views. Day equals 50 day passively. Add affiliate income. You're hitting 500 day easily. Steps to start. Choose niche. AI tools, true crime, or investing. Use ChatGPT to write scripts. 11 Labs or other TTS for voiceovers. CapCut or Pictory for editing. Upload consistently. Bonus tip. Batch produce 1 month of content in a weekend. Hustle 4. High-ticket digital product flipping. One of the smartest plays in 2025. Find digital products with white label or resale rights and flip them for $97,997 per sale. What are digital product flips? You take done-for-you courses, templates, or software tools and rebrand them as your own. Then you sell through email, TikTok, Gumroad, or your own funnel. Example. Buy a PLR, private label rights course on AI marketing. Rebrand it. Build a sales page. Sell 1 a day at 500 equals 500 day. Where to find products. PLR. Me. idplr.com. Creative Market for templates. Tools you need. Canva for branding. Systeme.io, free funnel builder. Stripe or Gumroad for checkout. Pro tip. Add a bonus like coaching, templates, or group access to boost perceived value. Hustle 5. Local lead generation with AI. This is low competition, high profit, and few people are doing it right. How it works. You help local businesses, plumbers, dentists, realtors, get leads using AI-built funnels and ads. Example. Build a simple lead gen site with ChatGPT. Run 100 in Facebook, Google Ads. Get them 5-10 high-intent leads. Charge 500 month. Why this works. Local businesses need leads. They don't know how to run ads. You become their secret weapon. How to start. Pick one niche. e.g., med spas. Build a template funnel. Show results to others and scale. Eventually, automate outreach with cold email tools. Pro tip: use AI to write ad copy, create landing pages, and automate follow-ups. Super lean. Wrap up. Call to action. Here's the truth. 2025 is the best time ever to start a side hustle. The tools are smarter, the demand is higher, and the competition is still beatable if you move fast. Let's recap. AI-powered freelancing. TikTok. UGC. Faceless YouTube. Digital product flipping. Local lead gen with AI. Which one are you going to start with? Drop it in the comments. And if you want a full walkthrough on choose one of the hustles, hit that subscribe button and let me know. I'll drop a step-by-step guide just for you. Until next time, work smart, build assets, and take control of your freedom.